Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of bash scripting. If you've ever wondered what bash scripts are and what their purpose is, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the details, let's quickly cover the basics. Bash, short for Bourne Again SHell, is a popular Unix shell and command language. It is the default shell for most Linux distributions and macOS systems. Bash scripts are essentially a series of commands written in the bash language, allowing users to automate tasks and streamline workflows. Imagine you have a repetitive task that you need to perform frequently, like renaming multiple files or resizing images. Instead of manually executing each command every time, you can create a bash script to automate the process. This saves time and effort, especially for tasks that involve multiple steps. Let's take a look at a simple example to understand how a bash script works. Suppose you have a folder with several text files, and you want to count the number of lines in each file. Instead of opening each file individually and counting the lines manually, you can create a bash script to do it for you. In your bash script, you would write a loop that iterates over each file in the folder. For each file, you would use the wc command to count the lines and display the result. By running this script, you can quickly obtain the line counts for all the text files in the folder. The power of bash scripting lies in its flexibility and extensibility. You can combine commands, use conditional statements, and even prompt for user input within your scripts. This makes it a versatile tool for various automation tasks, ranging from system administration to data processing and more. Now that we understand what bash scripts are and how they work, let's explore some common use cases. Bash scripts can be used to automate software installations, configure system settings, perform backups, schedule tasks, and much more. The possibilities are virtually endless. That wraps up our overview of bash scripts and their purpose. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.